Good job, honey. Oh, mommy, sit down. You want mama to sit down? Mama will sit down for a little bit. How are you this morning, honey?
Hi.
Balik din na.
Hi.
Come back, anak.
No, try it.
Baba na siya, ti.
Bunga.
Say a wish and blood. Mommy blow. The Paris blood.
Paris blow. Paris. Paris blow. No.
You try it. Give it a try.
Go. Paris blow.
Daddy, mommy, and
Daddy and mommy, okay.
1, 2,
3.
Yay!
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. It is 8th of March and it is Sunday. And today guys, gagawin natin yung yung para sa birthday ni Paris. So maya-maya, mga 12 or 1, darating yung mama ni Mike, tapos yung lolo tsaka lola niya guys. So nagluluto kami guys. Very late akong gising today guys kasi very late din akong pumunta ng bed last night kasi binild ko to guys. Kagabi. I built this last night for baby girl. Para surprise sa kanya ngayong umaga guys ba. Ayan. Tignan niyo siya guys. Yeah! Do you like this, Nat?
No.
No! Napasakit naman sa dibdib. So yeah, I built that last night guys. Kaya I went to bed like 1 o'clock ng umaga. Kaya 9 o'clock na rin ako nagising. Ngayon, I'm getting ready for my cooking guys. I-on ko lang tong ni Paris. Ayan, may painom-inom pa siya ng tubig So si Daddy guys, maaga siyang gumising guys. Naglinis-linis siya. Tingnan nyo. Medyo maano na tayo ngayon. Maaliwalas na ang ating bahay. Tapos nag-start na akong maggutad-gutad ng ating meat. Si Daddy guys, ayan, naglagay na siya ng yung pork belly ba. Ayan sa dyan sa oven. Tapos ito guys, kasi magbibistik Tagalog ako guys. Try magluto ng ating nyo. Tapos may masarap tayo dito. Tignan nyo guys. Dato puti. Tsaka Silver Swan soy sauce. Tapos guys, ito, plano ko guys. Guys pa. Sinigang. Kasi to guys. See? Soup burns. Binili ko sa Coles guys. $8.33. Kaya na ako guys. Nagpa-boil na ako ng tubig dyan. Kaya yun yung gagawin natin guys. Tapos, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang kamukhaan natin guys. Kasi hindi pa tayo naghilamos guys. Grabe yung atin nyo guys. Nagharap talaga sa camera agad na hindi pa naghilamos. Pagkatapos kong i-ready yung food guys, nalulutuin natin. Tsaka na ako magre-ready guys. Kasi si Paris, pinapakain ba natin Good job, honey. Oh, mommy, sit down. You want mama to sit down? Mama will sit down for a little bit. How are you this morning, honey? Ginanyan ko yung buhok niya, guys. Kasi ang haba ng bangs niya, guys. Natatabunan yung mata niya. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Hindi talaga to siya gumagamit ng bottle, guys. But I'm just, okay. I keep introducing it, guys, ba? Para mag-inom na siya ng ng gatas. Kasi hindi umainom, guys. Gusto niya breast milk palagi. Mama, drink milk?
Daddy, milk?
Milk, yes?
Mommy, milk.
Mommy, drink milk. How about baby, drink milk? How about baby, drink milk? Ang cute nito, guys, no? Super cute talaga nito, guys. And it's not very expensive kumpara sa ibang place, guys. This one is only $39.99 sa IKEA. Very worth it. Tapos ayan, guys, naglinis-linis na kami dito, guys. Uy, din si daddy pa. I'm sorry. Alis na, ayan. Oh, medyo malinis na siya, guys. Alis si daddy, guys. Punta siya ng, ng shop. Bibili ng itlog. What are you buying, daddy?
Sugar, onion.
Yeah, can you get me the red onion?
Cake.
Cake, yes. Oh yeah, bibili siya ng cake, guys. Diba last time I told you about the cake, guys? Hindi na hindi na kami bibili nung personalized, guys. Ay. Ayan. So, itong beauty room ko, guys. Ayan, nalinis ko na kagabi. Kaya nga late na ako pumunta ng bed. Tapos ito, itatapon ko lang yan, guys. Kasi yan yung box ng yung lamesa ni Paris. Ayan, guys. Pick upin nga yung weekend. Hindi ko pa natapos. Ako. Anyways. Toilet, bathroom. Hihiwain ko lang tong beef, guys, para ma-marinate na natin ba. So this year, guys, sabi ko na nga before, wala kaming masyadong guys, bisita. We just kept it very, very quiet. Kasi last year, yung ginawa namin, nag-invite kami ng friends ni Mike, friends sa side ko. So, daming tao. Kasi nga, guys, si Mimi, nandito pa noon, guys, last year. Yung kapatid ko ba? Siya talaga yung guys, super. I really miss her, guys. Sana bumalik na siya, guys, oy. Pero siya talaga yung guys. Parang nag-organize ba? Nagluto kami. Pero siya talaga yung naglinis, nag-ready, nung mga ganun, guys. I can't do it, guys. Kasi nga, alam nyo naman, guys, nag-work ako pag weekdays, so weekend. Yun lang yung time. Kaya, hindi ko nagagawa lahat, guys. Hindi ko nagagawa lahat. Kaya, sabi ko, na lang. Ito na lang nilutuin ko. Tapos, may pork belly naman dyan na niluluto ni daddy. Tapos, din. Gagawa lang din si daddy ng kanya, guys. Yung mga, yung mga salad-salad niya. Kasi, konti lang talaga kami, guys. Ilang tao lang talaga. Tapos, sabi ni si Ate Weng, in-invite ko, guys. Pero sabi niya, baka hindi sila makapunta. Kasi may ibang lakad daw sila. Tapos, si Bestie Ron ko din, guys. Pupunta siya. Sabi niya, magluluto daw siya ng spaghetti. Kasi sabi ko, konti lang kasi wala namang maraming tao. Tapos si Ate Ann naman, sabi niya magdadala daw siya ng puto flan. Yan yata, yung puto na may leche flan ba? Sabi niya magdadala daw siya, kaya hindi na kami masyadong guys, kasi may dadalhin naman pala sila, guys. Kaya sabi daddy, bibili na lang kami ng cake sa bakery. Para may pang kami, mag-blow ng candle si Paris. Daddy, can you please make sure you get a candle too for Paris to blow? Can you get a candle too, please, for Paris to blow? Yan. Tapos ko na siya ikat, guys. Oh. Marinate natin siya ng 1 oras. Kasi madali lang naman itong lutuin, guys. Lagyan natin ng silver swan soy sauce. Suka. Tapos alam niyo, guys, buang talaga itong guys. Itong Australia, the same na sa ibang bansa din, guys. Na-short na kami ng toilet paper tsaka rice. Oh my God, lahat na kasi ng tao, guys. Bumili nung binili na nila lahat yung toilet paper tsaka rice, guys. Pumunta ako ng ibang yung malayo sa amin na coast ba, na grocery. Para makahanap ng rice, guys. Wala na talagang rice, guys. Ubus na talaga lahat yung nasa guys. Tapos, yung isang pinuntahan ko kagabi, wala silang normal rice, guys. Naubos na rin. Pero, may naiwan pang isang packet na basmati rice. So, yun na lang yung binili ko, guys. Basmati rice. Kasi naman walang rice, guys. Diba? Nagbili na lang ako ng ganito din, guys. Oh, Kasi, in case na ayaw ng mga tao na, ano guys, na basmati rice, at least may normal rice tayo guys. Pero nasa packet guys, ilagay lang sa, yung ilagay sa oven guys ba? Inaubos na ng mga Asian talaga. Kasi na last time, pumunta kami ng Coast guys. Yung ano guys, yung Chinese guys, isang trolley guys. Punong-puno ng toilet paper, tsaka rice, tsaka water, lahat. Kasi nga natakot sila sa coronavirus guys. Ano daw, baka daw, hindi na makalis ng bahay. Keep sila ba ng stock. Pag nag-ready na kami mamaya, mag-vlog ako ulit pagtapos nandito na yung mga tao guys ha. So, stay tuned guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye! Hi guys! Nagbihis na ako guys. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Pero guys, hindi na ako nakapag-makeup guys kasi ang aga-aga ng lolo tsaka lola niya guys. Si Mac, di ba guys, kanina si Mike pumunta ng shop kasi bumili ng onion guys. Ngayon, paglabas niya guys, nandun na pala yung lolo tsaka lola niya guys. Kaya sinama niya sa shop guys para hindi mo na makapasok dito kasi hindi pa nga kami ready. Ngayon, niready ko si Paris very quickly guys. Nabihisan ko na siya. Tapos yung cooking, nagluto-luto na siya dun guys. Tapos, ako, nagbisa lang ako, guys. Yan yung suot ko, guys. Oh, hindi na ako nag-makeup pa yung buhok ko. Wala na, guys. Wala nang time si mami, guys. Pero ito yun yung, guys, sa likod, guys. Oh, pak! Bongka. So, yan lang yung pa-outfit natin today, guys. Tapos ngayon, iiwan muna namin si, itong buhok ko, guys. Uy! Diyos ko. Iiwan ko muna ngayon si Paris tsaka yung mga lola tsaka lolo niya dito, guys. Kasi pipick upin namin yung mama ni Mike. Kasi nag-bus lang guys pa. Kasi walang train daw. Kaya pick upin namin sa doon sa Mount Waverly guys. Buhok ko guys. Oh. Tapos yun na guys, pag uwi namin dito, at tapusin na namin yung niluluto namin guys. Tapos yun na lang. Yun lang gawin namin guys. Kain-kain. But yeah, I will vlog again, update you again later guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys! Update ko lang guys kayo. So, it's nearly 2 o'clock na ng hapon guys. So, daddy, tapos yung mami niya, tsaka yung lola, tsaka lolo niya guys. At si Paris, pumunta sila ng park guys. Kasi si Paris gusto niyang maglaro ng park. Tapos ako, naiwan ako dito guys kasi nagluluto ako, diba? Tapos si Paris kasi guys, ayaw niya ano tawag dito guys? Ayaw, di siya manao guys ba? Like, she just wants me to carry her all the time. So that's why daddy decided na dadalhin na lang nila sa park. Tapos it's a very nice day outside naman guys. Kaya nandun silang lahat. Ngayon, nag-text ng aking bestie Ron na on the way na, ayan na sila guys. Oh, nagpa-park na sila guys. I don't know if you can see. Ayan. Diyan sila nag-park. Tapos, nanonood lang ako ng guys, YouTube. Pakita ko sa inyo yung naluto ko na, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Nagluto ko ng bistik Tagalog, guys. It's not a lot, kasi konti lang naman kami, guys. Tapos, ito, yung basmati rice, kasi nga, wala nga akong makitang jasmine rice kahapon. Kaya, yan lang, guys. Tapos, ito, kumukulo-kulo pa siya, guys. O, ano matawag, sinigang sa bayabas? Yun ba yun, guys? Tapos, ilalagay ko to pagluto na yung, yung meat. Tapos, yun lang yun, guys. Walang masyadong, Tapos, yan lang, oh. Very, Australian, guys. Parang bread lang. Tapos, may tuyo, tsaka, olive oil. Tapos, ganyan. Ganyan lang kami dito guys. Party. Open!
Once you open now.
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Open? Yeah.
Williams.
She's made the open present.
I was born with this.
Marcus Morris in the train.
Yay! Great job. Oh my god, I'm very excited. Oh! Wow! Wow! Nice? Nice? What's the other one? Wow, who's the lucky girl? Who's the lucky girl? Open this one.
But the rest of our team.
Wala hubog.
Just go up there.
Wow! Hala, nice lagi na Wow, say thank you. Nak, thank you Tito Ron and Tito Gab. Wow!
Hug me? Hug? Kiss?
Jonas,
Kiss, uy! Kiss, okay, Tito, bought it for you, uy!
Jonas wants to be number one. I think he is, yeah. He's equal.
Open?
Open.
We use?
But I think LeBron's still next to him.
Say thank you.
Wow, thank you. Tito Gab, thank you.
Thank you. Open this one. Oh, wait.
Nice people, man. I can't play. I think at 35, even if they're playing, they're like coming off the bench, you know?
So cute.
I don't think so. I still
Oh,
think.
wow.
I think Jonas is as good a scorer as LeBron. But the last few years, man, LeBron is
What's that, Nak?
passing is unbelievable.
Don't swallow this knuckle.
He's getting it up. Watching the cricket.
Wow. Yeah. Here, oh. Parang clean ako ng... Yeah.
They're very, very
Sit down.
similar. They're both very
Sit down. Ano siya, siya.
Filipino. This is thing. This is what you have to do. Paris? Oh, God.
The one good thing about Jonas is
You what?
Yo, uy, kon man, remove man eh. Please remove, agay.
and the same as LeBron.
Okay, so, ano ba, Papa?
Return. It's not working.
Oh, look. Here, this is your pen. And you can write. Yeah, write.
What's your name, Nak?
Write your name.
Over the years,
Oh, properly, Nak.
same Jonas. But this year he just started shooting
Wow. And then when you erase, it like this. Done.
Wow, that's very nice. Here, right here.
Write your name.
when he played the wire. They went
Nice.
in the
So go.
finals. They like guard the rim. They just play three players.
The other one.
You go love.
Heart.
They're blocking.
Whoa! How about the flower?
Flower. Stamp.
This year, but you can tell like this year in the off season, he started
Okay.
practicing.
Yeah!
Wow.
It's been a few
Circle.
years. I still think he's like a couple of years away from being
Stamp.
unstoppable.
Well done,
The
Baba.
orange one. The orange.
Hungry.
Triangle.
That one.
I think it's a couple of
Triangle.
years. Still
Oh!
Then you erase. You erase. Go like this.
you know Kawhi, man. It's boring.
Yeah.
The way he plays,
Magic.
Then you put it here.
you can't stop him because he's too strong and too big,
Let her
and you can't stop him in defense.
put it here. Put it here. Oh, put it here after you. Yeah, after you use it.
What's
that?
He's young.
Blue. That's right.
He's just out of high school, so
Actually, look at you. Okay.
Really good. And trolley.
against kids, he can play
Woohoo! Good job.
isolate or whatever.
La.
So small against him.
What's this, Nako? What's this, Nak?
Gave us that.
Paris. What's this?
Why he can't play his own shots too much.
Egg.
But like LeBron said when he played with his age, it doesn't matter. What he can do already is good enough. Because he's average.
Ikaw pa magregalo. Ikaw pa magregalo.
Uy, ano nga? Kapag gitgaan.
And it's all the same play, man. It's just like
Lagit kayo, Nak, ah.
some passes in the ball, and he just basically turns his back to them.
What's with the red and the yellow?
Easy.
Matching kayo.
Asan yung you?
Yeah, man. Like that. It's
Sticker.
the same as the kids.
Signature box.
Stinkers. Tanong nga, gitna ha? Hiwi, ha?
You know, some when they're kids, they're scared. He doesn't care.
The protector.
In his brain, he already considers himself like one of the top, which is really good.
Yay. What's that, Nak? Trolley.
Even John's are both similar. You know, like when the media says to them, "Oh,
Can you
how did it play this way?" He must be just his.
Oh, my God. Oh, they have that stuff as well.
And they're both
It's a
saying,
box. It's so cute.
You want to be like
Please.
LeBron's to us. LeBron's
Open?
You know. What about me? What about my game? Let's talk about my game. LeBron's. So you know they respect him, but
Who's the lucky girl?
Act like fans.
Oh, boy!
They want to be.
Okay, wait, may kusog nga trolley eh.
What's
Tita
this?
na, butang ti.
What's that?
Wow, be careful that the egg won't break.
Sliding about May, I think. Couple months.
Careful.
Yay.
Couple months away.
Who's the lucky girl? Wait na.
Bye.
Balik din na.
Bye.
Come back, anak.
No trade. Little lucky
Baba na siya, ti.
weekends
Bunga.
and
Balik diri, come back.
Come back, anak.
top draft picks coming up. In the
Come back,
next
because we're
draft.
gonna put more night cookies and popcorn here, nako.
Stop Giannis. Because Giannis, not because Milwaukee wants it, but
That's it, go on,
Giannis
Lisa.
will come. You don't trade
Troll,
him.
like I'm troll.
One time.
Yay! What's
You got some
inside?
more? You have a cookie?
So like 2000.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, 2021 he can leave. So I think he'll take the Milwaukee. If you don't trade me, by now I'll leave. So you
What's
gotta
that?
to get the best.
Egg. Egg.
Open? No.
They want to go play.
What's the color of the egg?
For Miami.
Okay.
Places where you want to live.
Put it in
Libog
your,
lagi siya, guys. Daghan siya yung hulaan.
put it in your basket.
Super. This one, guys. Oh, gikan sa iyang, ano, guys. Gikan sa lola niya, guys. Oh. Tagalog. Tagalog na kasi ako ngayon. Bakit di ba ako inaano? Huwag niyo akong anuhin. Andito ba, guys? Si Ron, tsaka si Ate Ann, guys. Oh.
Katong beef na pong ba? Sa pao.
Play again now.
Ang una, pwede ko nito, ti. Gilaan nga. Pita. Oh. Sinigang.
Maybe.
Gum, sige, gum.
Sinigang man to.
Hindi mo parat lagi.
Sinigang sa guava. Butang ka to na akong kuan, mamatitas. Sinigang sa guava. Sabi ya, sinigang sa sampalok, sinigang sa guava.
I don't even think they're going to finals this year.
Ay, anak lagi. Pakita na mo sa packet.
Mag-quarter.
Oh, kan lola niya, guys. Ha?
Malulog na to.
Lagi sinigang, pakita na mo sa packet na sinigang sa guava.
Dili gias no.
Sa guava man siya, dili man nga sinigang is tamarin. Yes, my love. Carrot. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom.
Milwaukee will have the best player in the series, but Boston will have the.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How are you?
What about hip hip? No?
Hooray.
Ah, okay. Blow na blow.
Blood.
Say a wish and blow.
Mommy,
Mommy, blow. No, Paris blow.
Paris blow.
Paris blow, look at baby.
Daddy's book.
Paris. Paris blow.
Paris blow.
No.
Paris blow.
You try. Give it a try.
Go. Paris blow.
Paris blow.
Daddy, mommy, and
Daddy and mommy, okay.
1, 2.
3. Yay!
Yay!
Eat the cake! Woohoo! Gonna cut the cake?
Get the knife.
Cut the cake? Huh?
Pizza.
Yeah, pink candle. Pink and white candle. Yeah! Look! You want this?
This one.
Red strawberry. Okay.
Look good, Mike. The knife.
No, no,
Holy crap! What the hell? Babae do. Babae. Babae do. I can't say it. Duguan. Babae duguan.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the cake.
Nagtagalog na. Tea! Guys, uwi na sila Ate Ann.
Yes guys, malamig.
May BH. Hindi guys, kasi nagluto si ate ng ano guys, ng puto, tawag mo te? Puto flan. Oh. Tapos, ayun, nasarap.
Hi guys, kumusta?
Kumusta kayo dyan, tagal?
Bumubukol na.
Bumubukal lang aking sabaw. Ayun na si Ron, malapit na siyang maluluto. Doon na siyang maluluto.
Doon siya maluluto.
Kinoon na magkanto na sila. Oy, sige lang kag Didi. Sige lang kag Didi. Ooh. Hello.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
So, Gigi?
Sige, come na. Ala, Tito Ron, ang Ron. So guys, umuwi ng mga bisita namin guys. Ito na lang ang naiwan ngayon guys o sa amin. Ang mess na lang ang naiwan guys. May cake pa kami guys oh. Dalawang slices. Oh, did you pass? Did you pass right? No, it's Paris. You poo-poo. So guys, oh. Ito ang naiwan guys. Ang hugasin. But it's alright. We had a good time guys. It's really good catching up with everyone. As mentioned guys, wala naman talagang maraming taong pumunta dito guys. Yung ano lang, lola tsaka lolo ni Mike. Tapos some of our friends yun lang guys. Wala talagang Tapos, nakita nyo na before guys, yung mga, yung mga binili ni Bestie Ron at ni partner niya ni Gav guys, para kay Paris. Pero, yung binili ng mama niya guys, yung lola ni Paris guys, pakita ko sa inyo, before ako maglilinis ng bahay guys. So, ito guys, nala ng mama niya guys, ang liit-liit man. Ito binili ni Paris, pero ang liit-liit pa. Kaya sabi ko, ano na lang, ewan ko, padala ko ng Pinas or sabi ng friendship ko guys, baka daw hintayin guys para for second baby. Turn off muna natin ang isa. Tapos guys, the second one na binili ng lola niya guys is this. Tingnan niya guys, oh. Very cute guys, no? Yung parang musketero lang siya guys. Tapos, suotan mo lang ng ano guys, parang leotard sa ilalim guys ba? Yan, oh, so cute, diba? Tapos, the other one, guys, is this unicorn bag para kay Paris, guys. Oh, super cute. Hindi ko pa na ano. I have to cut this, guys. Oh. Pero ayan sa loob. And then, what else? Oh, ito pala, guys. Ito, binili ng lola din niya, guys. Pero, this one is too small, guys. In-underestimate ng lola niya guys yung size ni Paris kaya yan. Pero binigay niya sa akin yung resibo guys para ito pala. Para ma-exchange ko. So dadalhin ko siya sa shop para exchange ko siya ng mas malaki guys. Tapos itong books na Wiggles galing sa ano guys, sa lola ni Mike tsaka sa lolo niya. Tatlo to guys. Ayan. Tapos cards lang. Tapos yung lola at lolo ni Mike guys, nagbigay sila ng card. Tapos may, guys, $100 na cash. Saan ba yun? Saan ba yun? Kita ko sa inyo guys. Nanak, did you pupo na?
No.
Did you pupo?
No.
Why?
So guys, so ito yung card. Ito yung card. Tapos may guys, oh, may $100. Yan. Tapos, yung isa guys, yung isang lola guys. Yeah, honey? Yeah. Ayan guys, so nagbigay ng $20. May isa pong $20 dito guys. Ayan. Tapos, may isang guys, ayan from crowds, bigay ng lola ni Paris guys. Ayan. Hikaw din guys, yung yellow gold. Butterfly siya. Ayan. Oh. May pang-reserva na guys, kasi baka mawala na yan kay Paris guys. At least may reserva na. Tapos nakita niyo ng mga may mga laruan pala guys. Hindi ko na alam na ano siya guys. Everywhere na. Mga ganito. Bilhin ng ng lola niya guys. Yung may mga train. Tapos may ganito guys. Wala, nangawala na ang uban ng mga part guys. Tapos nakita niyo na kanina yung binili ni Ron. Ito. Ayan. Very cute. Ayan. Tapos, ganyan. Oh. Tapos yung isa guys, yung parang trolley lang mo guys. Ganito guys, oh. Parang trolley lang ba? Oh, anak oh. Yeah, want that? Ayun guys, tapos sa atin nyo guys, Gardo versus ang mukha guys kasi hindi na talaga tayo nakapag-makeup today. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Wala kasi very early dumating yung lola tsaka lolo niya guys ni Mike. Di ba nga sabi namin, from 12 onwards, guys, dumating sila 10 o'clock. Ano na yan guys, anong gagawin mo? Kaya hindi na, nagluto na lang ako tapos nagbihis. Hindi na ako guys, nag-ayos ng mukha. Dito lang naman kami sa bahay guys. Yeah, so I just wanna thank everyone na guys, nagpunta dito, yung si Ate Ann, si Kuya Noel, si Bestie Ron, si Gav, tapos si Mama ni Mike, tsaka si Nan, tsaka Papa. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for all the presents. Oh, bless you, Anna. Hello, sweetie. You say hi? No. No. Okay. But yeah, thank you for all the presents. And yeah, thank you for celebrating it with us this year. And maybe next year we'll make it a bit bigger. This year lang guys, very very low-key lang talaga yung birthday ni Parsi yun guys. But maybe we'll see next year. Mommy will do a better job. Next year, may mga balon-balon yung mga ganyan. But this year guys, very quiet lang tayo. But yeah, the important thing is Paris is healthy and happy, and we are all healthy and we're all happy. So yeah, that's about it guys for today's video. I think I'm gonna end it here now guys, kasi maglilinis pa kami guys. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina guys, ang dami talagang hugasin guys. Tapos yung mga dito sa mga laruan, we'll put it away. Yes, sweetheart. Okay? Yes, Mama, Yes, Mama, happy birthday, my love. Oh, gosh, no. So guys, I hope that you give us a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And shout out to everyone guys. Hindi ko na isa-isahin, but yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!